I'm Lisa Fleming and I am the founder and the CEO of the House of Hope Scotland. The House of Hope is Scotland's first wellbeing centre for people who are impacted by breast cancer and their families as well. So there were a few big challenges with the building and the heating was one of them. Now, we knew that if we didn't do something about the heating that, very rapidly we were going to start to, incur some operational challenges. So what we're actually doing today with this project is going to make such a massive impact, not just financially for us because it will reduce down our monthly outgoings on heating, but also for our visitors because they will be able to come in to a lovely, safe, warm and nurturing environment, which is what the House of Hope is all about.
So I'm Chris, I'm the Operations Manager for Ideal Electrical Solutions based in Edinburgh. So normally I'm out quoting the jobs, but today I'm actually helping install because it's a big project with 21 storage heaters getting fitted in one day. So they had the old Dimplex storage heaters which were probably about 20 years plus. But I think just the cost, the efficiency of them running, because there's 21 heaters, there's no really much control over the old ones, it's just either on or off. So again, it's a charity, they've not got abundance of money, so they had to look at cost saving for their running costs for the building. So Dimplex was, the Quantums was the sort of approved heater choice due to the efficiency of the heater, because I think 27 or 28% more efficient than the old ones, so a good heater.
So by having the new Dimplex system in place, there's a lot of benefits that it's going to give. So from a logistical point of view for the team, we can obviously start to preset our heating. So that is probably going to be the first advantage that we're going to have as a team, is to be able to pre-program and actually to effectively manage the heating within the building. The impact is ginormous.
Yep, so I recommend Dimplex heaters across the board, panel heaters, storage heaters, they're quite good.